We know that there's a lot of drinks out there today with sugar and with dyes. But let's try something new. Hi, I'm Lytonia with FoodWise. This is a beautiful day and we're at the end of the tunnel with COVID-19. So I'm talking about healthy drinks and infusing fruits and herbs. All right. So I have 3 examples prepared today. So today I have a kiwi mint, and I have a blackberry with rosemary, and our traditional drink, lemons and lime. Very refreshing. So when you're making your drink, the sky is the limit. You can just be creative. You can add mango, strawberry, and you can always throw a piece of mint. Or you could do ginger. And then you add your water. So with seniors, you know we're getting older, right? Our bodies are taking on a lot of things, different changes, and sometimes we're on different medications that might make us not want to drink water. But let's try water with fruit, to infuse fruit into our water so that we can stay hydrated and we can have our energy and we can feel better. So do you have children that just don't like water? They go, oh, mama, no taste. Have them go to the store and pick their favorite fruits. Start out with 2 and have them come home and chop up strawberries, blackberries, and infuse it in their water and see how they like it. Kids do better when they prepare it themselves. So try infused water with your children. It'll be fun and they'll like it. And before you know it, they'll be drinking it, not even thinking about, oh, it's not soda or juice. It's water with fruit. Okay? All right.
Want to learn more? Search FoodWise Wisconsin.
What's usually your to-go water?
You know what? I'm the traditional person. I have been the traditional person using lemon and lime, but having people take the nutrition program, I decided that, you know what, let's try other fruit and infuse herbs and different things and try things that would be good, and it might encourage to do less sugar because we have so much sugar going on, and that's why reading labels is important so that we know how much sugar we're getting into our body. But with the natural fruit, it's all natural sweet and it's better for us and it's gonna keep us hydrated and we'll be able to move in this beautiful day, on this beautiful day, I should say.